So I'm here with Wyatt Zech from York, Pennsylvania, the owner of Zech's Auto Spa. Uh, Wyatt has been in this weekend for the Details Are Certified Detailer Licensee Training Program. So, and he did a great job the entire weekend. So, what did you think of the business and marketing class on Friday? How do you think that helped you with your business?
Yeah, the business and marketing class was very, very helpful in multiple different aspects, as far as the legal process of doing it correctly, through all of the different branches that you have to go through, all the hoops you have to go through. Nick broke it down perfectly. He has a checklist of everything. He goes through it organized, and he gives you a bunch of information to get through that process correctly and legally, like I said, which is very important.
So you think it definitely helped you with your business?
Definitely.
Marketing too?
Yeah, marketing. As he showed a lot of different aspects of Google Business Profile, Facebook, and I've done a couple different, hidden tips and tricks that maybe you'll learn in the class if you come.
Excellent. Sounds good. So what did you think of the hands-on training? You had the paint correction, the polishing, the ceramic coating application, the interior detailing and reconditioning. How did that go for you?
Yeah, I mean, the car came out amazing. It came in a completely different, even tinge of color. We made it come out beautiful. It looked like a brand new car. It looked like a completely different car.
It really did with 125,000 miles on it.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
you and the trainers did an amazing job.
Yeah, it came out great, number one. Number two, I learned a lot. I do have past experience a little bit.
Sure.
One of my biggest things is to constantly keep learning, and everybody has different experiences, and
Sure.
To share those experiences and to communicate those tips and tricks within each other as we grow is completely beneficial, no matter
Absolutely.
how great you are, if you're just starting. These different tips and tricks and learning and different things that you can do.
Sure. So your overall experience this weekend was 5-star?
Phenomenal.
Would you, would you recommend anyone else coming to our training?
Recommend it 100%.
Perfect. Thank you. You're a great student. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you.